Yo, good day guys, I'm Lhansen M Deguzman from BSED Math 2B, and today we're going to answer one question in exercise 2.1. In this chapter, we are tasked to choose one odd number and answer it. So I decided to answer the question number 73. So in this question, we're going to express the column matrix B as a linear combination of the columns of matrix A. So, in item 73, we got matrix A, which is 1, -1, 2, and 3, -3, 1. And for matrix B is -1 and 7. So, the matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. So, obviously, it will have 3 columns. So, the column of the matrix A are x1 or column 1 for 1, 3, x2 for -1, -3, and x3 for 2, 1 is equal to -1 and 7. So we will obtain the equation like this. Since it's 1, we don't need to write it here. So x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to -1. And 3x1 minus 3x2 plus x3 is equal to 7. So this is our equations and we can now solve the system. So in this equation, we will multiply -3 to the first equation and we will add it to the second equation. So we will have 3x1 minus 3x2 plus x3 minus 3 multiplied by x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equals to 7 minus 3 multiplied by -1. So as you can see, we will multiply our first equation in -3. So it will result 3x1 minus 3x2 plus x3 minus 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 6x3 is equal to 10. And then cancel, so it will result -5x3 is equal to 10. So our x3 is equal to -2. Since we have now the value of our x3 which is -2, we can now find the missing 2 which is the x1 and x3 to write the column matrix B as a linear combination of column of matrix A. So from the first equation, which is x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to -1, we will have now x1 minus x2 plus 2, and then we will multiply the value of x3 which is the -2. So we will have x1 minus x2 minus 4 is equal to -1. So to look for x1, we can now finalize this as x1 is equal to x2 plus 4 minus 1, and then x1 is equal to x2 plus 3. So to write the column matrix B as a linear combination of column A, we will just pick any number for our x2 and solve it for x1. So for example, the value of our x2 is 1. So x1 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the value of our x1 will be 4. And the value of our x2 is equal to 1. So in overall, we will have 4 for the first column, 1 for the second column, and -2 for the third column. So we can now write the column matrix B as a linear combination of column of matrix A. So the final answer will be matrix B is equal to -1, 7 is equal to 4, 1, 3 plus 1, -1, -3, and minus 2, 2, 1. And that will be our final result.